Welcome to my YouTube channel Chemzin. In this video, we will learn about immunity. Immunity is nothing but the overall ability of the host to fight against the disease causing organisms. The disease causing organisms can be anything like virus, bacteria, or any other microorganisms. There are two types of immunity: innate immunity and the acquired immunity. In this video, we will mainly concentrate on innate immunity. Innate immunity is a type of immunity which is present in our body at the time of birth itself. It is non-specific. Non-specific in a sense, this innate immunity does not fight against a particular type of virus or a particular type of bacteria, but it fights against every kind of organism. It is non-specific. And this innate immunity provides certain kind of barrier to the body, and we will study this barrier one by one. The first barrier is a physical barrier. Physical barrier is mainly represented by the skin and some other parts also. The other parts include the mucus, which coats the epithelium lining the respiratory tract, the gastrointestinal tract, and the urogenital tract. These tracts, the mucus which is present in these tracts, no, they trap the microorganisms which enters the body. The second one is a physiological barrier. Physiological barrier includes certain fluids present in our body. For example, the saliva in our mouth has an enzyme called lysozyme. This enzyme destroys the bacteria which enters the mouth and thus protects us from these bacteria. And the other fluids include the acid, that is a hydrochloric acid present in our stomach, and the tears coming from our eyes. The third one is the cellular barrier. Cellular barrier includes certain white blood cells. We know that these white blood cells are also called leukocyte. Examples for these white blood cells include neutrophils. Neutrophils are the most abundant kind of white blood cells, right? The other name of neutrophil is PMNL, that is polymorphonuclear lymphocyte. And the other example for cellular barrier includes monocytes, the natural killer cell. Natural killer cell is a kind of lymphocyte, and the macrophages also. These all these white blood cells and the other monocytes and all, they phagocytose, that is they kill and destroy the microbes and protects us from these infections. And the fourth one is a cytokine barrier. Main example for cytokine barrier is a interferon. We'll see the working of this interferon. When this cell is affected by a virus, this cell secretes some protein called interferon. This interferon protects the other cell from the further activity or the further infection of this virus. Thus, the interferon also protects the body from the disease causing viruses mainly. Okay, and this is all about innate immunity. We'll study the acquired immunity in the next video. Thank you.